A short review about Tiller Money Budget spreadsheet review in this video. So this is basically a website called Spreadsheet, but that is specialized for your budget or your money management system. As you can see on the home page of the website, the interface looks quite good. You can see all the partner companies on the background of this, and you can read the owners or Google review research here on the best website itself. So first I will let you know all the details about the website, and then we will try to read the reviews posted by the peoples here on the website official page. Know exactly where your money goes. All your transaction flow will be captured by the website or the application, and it will give you a track of your spends, of your expenditure, of your income. Customize everything, create your own category, keep up with your money on the go. No time for spreadsheets, review your account and make a spreadsheet of it. Help is here if you need. Your trust is not for sale. That is the claim, the website claim. Tiller is trusted and recommended. So also you can read all the reviews about the website here. Tiller is comprehensive tool to keep you control on the finances. I love Triller. Triller helped me finally understand where my money goes, and this is how you can go on. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel.